Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends on Steam without spending $5. Let's get started. First, close CS2 if it's running. Now open Steam. Click Friends in the top left corner. Then click Add a Friend. Go to the Quick Invite section. Click Copy. Now send this link to your friend. Ask your friend to open the link. Then accept your friend request. Once your friend accepts, open CS2 again. Your friend should now appear in your friends list. Click Invite. And you can play together. Keep in mind, this method worked for me. If it doesn't work for you, your Steam account may have different restrictions. Let me know in the comments what happens, and I'll try to help you. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.